All right, guys, prompt two focuses on creative talent, innovative thinking, and maybe being artistically creative. Has to do with creativity. The prompt is every person has a creative side, and it can be expressed in many ways: problem solving, original, innovative thinking, and artistically, to name a few. Describe how you express your creative side. So, what exactly do you write about? Keep in mind that you can show your creativity in a ton of different ways. So, pick a way that you think is unique and shows something interesting about you. You could talk about something creative, you do something artsy, something that requires deep, innovative, and fresh thought, creative problem solving, so a time where you had to get creative to solve a problem, or just a creative approach to something. So, what exactly do we write about? Some ideas for what you could focus on are first, what the word creativity really means to you. You could also write about what skill you have and why you consider it creative. So, what have you been able to do with that skill? You could write about problems that you solve creatively. What specific steps did you take to solve that problem? You could talk about how creativity influences your everyday life and talk about how you continue to embrace and feel pride in your creativity.